Welcome to the part 2 on the second layer of the beginner's solution to Rubik's Cube. Okay, first you need to find an H piece that will go into here, 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 and here. Okay, so this is here, so this is should be orange and green. So this is an orange and green, right? You cannot put it like that because it's not. Put it so that it's lined up. So this algorithm, UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI. Okay, I will try to edit this video and put the algorithm in. So just remember the sequence. Turn this away from the blue. Turn this up. Turn this back to connect it. Turn it down. Like that. So bring this back in place. So for this again. Okay, again. This one is this. Now the second layer is done. Okay, for the third layer, first you have to get a cross. Sometimes you have a dot, an L that is opposite direction. Instead of like that, you get it like that. So if you get it like that, turn it so that it is like that. If you get a straight line, put it vertically. And if you get a dot, just put it anyhow. And do F, U, R, U, R, I, F, I. And do this couple of times. F, I, and you get a cross. Now for orienting the corners. Okay, first you need to find all straight lines on each and every side of the cube. Okay, first there should be at least two. There 1 and 2. Put it one at the back and one at the right, and do this algorithm. U R U R, and turn it. Oops, I did wrongly. I did the wrong algorithm. Sorry, so you need to find there's two, so two sides. Back or right, do R U R U R U 2 R, and U, and you should get all straight lines. And for orienting the corners, how do you check if the corner is correct? All you need to do is to see these corners should contain orange, blue, and yellow. So it's wrong. This corner should have orange, green, yellow, which is wrong. This corner should have red, green, yellow, which is wrong, and this corner should have, which is wrong. So some people think it's easier to remember by this. Up, away from you, up, invert, away from you. Up, towards me, up, invert, towards me. And you'll get one correct corner. Sometimes you will not have one correct corner, but sometimes you will have, so we'll need to check. So put it at your bottom right hand corner if you have a correct corner, and do R U blah 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 blah. So this is correct, as you can see. This is correct, and this is correct. Okay, after getting all correct, do this put a hole that is not filled up on top with yellow on your bottom right hand corner, and do this algorithm. RIDRDI. It seems like messing up your cube, but it is not. Remember, Do not be scared or what by this cube when it's messed up. And you're done putting it up, and only rotate the top layer until the bottom right corner. Alright, D, R, D, alright, D, R, D, alright, D, R, D, alright, D, R, D. And you're solving the cube. Congratulations! Okay, after solving the cube, you should go on to lubricating your cube by turning your cube 45-degree angle, popping the piece out, and then lubricate it with silicone. There are 3 ways that I will teach you in the next lubrication video.